All right, I am looking in the machine compartment in the back of this GE refrigerator. I just finished cleaning the drain tube assembly. Um, Seemed like it had a whole bunch of gunk and stuff in it that I had to clean out. That's what was backing up. But just want to take a look at this this black part here. That's the drain pan, and you could see the copper freon line is running into the drain pan. That is to how the drain water evaporates. But you can see the condition of it, how the tubing in the water starting to deteriorate. And this has, I believe, a UV dryer filter on it. And you could just see the condition of the high loop and the drain fan. Just how the manufacturer designed it.